Hello my lovelies, so I'm Lizzie from Love from Lizzie, and today I'm bringing you the November 2025 Love from Lizzie card kit. It's a super exciting one for me to share. It's a particular passion of mine, the theme that this kit's based around. But just to give you a little bit of admin, we're all up to date with emails and orders. Everything's running relatively smoothly. We are gearing up for our retreat. Our first virtual weekend retreat, which is in November, and it's the Wicked Witches retreat, which I'm super excited for. It's 2 days, it's 20 cards will be completed with myself, and I've got 4 guest designers with me this time. So Christy Marcotte from The Best Things in Life Are Pink is going to be joining me, and we've got 3 other guests that we're going to be sharing periodically over the next couple of weeks. Just to give you a little sneak peek, I have got one of the cards that I will be teaching you how to make. So this is it. And as you may be aware, it's called the Wicked Witches, but this is one of the cards. So you'd have to put all your details on the back, but that's the sneak peek for the virtual retreat Wicked Witches, which is on the front page of our website. Now, you are here for the unboxing of Festive Tales, so I am going to run straight in on this now. So this is how it will appear when it comes to you. If you are a subscriber and you want to place any add-on orders, please make sure that you do so by the 31st of October. Which is a Friday, by 9 AM Mountain. We are still in standard time. So there are 5 sheets of cardstock as always, and they're 8.5 by 11. We have craft, berry red, alcohol marker friendly white, forest green, and vanilla. These are lovely. They can be split lengthways or widthways to make A2 sized card bases. So I'll just pop those over here. We have, which is a little bit of fun, and I just want to see essentially how people are going to work with this, but it's a piece of felt and it's self-adhesive, and this is the sort of material that you can bind a book with. So for those of you that wanted to make a little mini notebook as a gift, this is ideal. We have got brand new peel-offs this month. These are the straight green, and they're one of our most popular colours, particularly at this time of year. And straight, they're all exactly the same width, but they are 1 size wider than our pinstripes. So we have 3 different widths on the pinstripe peel-off. This is the next one up, the 4th width. And then we have some super shiny die-cut stickers. They're really lovely and thick, and they are so shiny, and they have this really lovely pile of books with sort of moonbursts coming out of the back, as you can see. So they are envelope seals, but they're so lovely and shiny that they are more than happy to be centre stage on your card. Let me show you the patterned papers so that you have an idea of the colour palette. Now this is super vintage and muted reds and greens. So, and you've got these lovely crims. So we've got a really nice, almost like felt looking chevron. We've got stacks of books with boughs of holly. That was not as easy to say as I'd hoped. A different repeating pattern of books. Then a really pretty distressed check. Some snowflakes there, piles and piles of gifts. We have a variety of different trees in a scape, some gifts with holly and sprigs of ferns, the poinsettia in both red and white, more books with some holly and some bows, a larger of that really nice chevron that looks really warm and fuzzy, and then a big books and bows, and then the cover. So I absolutely love reading, so this makes me very happy. Obviously it's the traditional reds and greens that you see around Christmas time, but we tend to shy away from actual like Merry Christmas things because not everyone celebrates. So next up, we have stamp and coordinating dies, which I'm very happy about. So there's a few different icon ones. Here you have what is clearly the magic of a book. And there's little sprigs, there's confetti, there's a paper aeroplane, all zooming off out from the book. You have two book ends, which have got flowers growing out from around, so they're really pretty and exactly the same, just for either end. A larger book with all blooms coming from it, and then the comfiest chair looking all ready with a cup of tea on the arm and a blanket. And then here you have two bookshelves covered in books and plants, and then the sentiments are famous quotes. You, apart from the top one, which I couldn't ignore, which is "You are literally the best." So sorry about that. I love our story the most. I do love nothing in the world so well as you. A book is a dream you hold in your hands. In case you foolishly forget, I'm never not thinking of you. Between the pages of a book is a wonderful place to be. So there's some really nice sentiments related to reading, and all of the sentiments have got a coordinating die along with all of the icons, so the complete set is able to be, there's no need for fussy cutting with this set. So we have those, and then we have ephemera. Get a full pack of ephemera, and these icons work perfectly with the papers and with the stamps. I'll run through them as quick as I can. So we've got a bed, a really lovely cookie jar, stacks of books all wrapped up in bow with holly, Christmas tree with a stack of books as big as the tree, which is my kind of tree. We have a lovely bookstore, a bauble on a nice pile of books, books within a snow globe, some candles and some holly, just a shelf of books there, an envelope with some holly, a really lovely room scene, it looks very festive, poinsettia, basket of books, the lamp with candles. This looks particularly lovely. It's like a cinnamon hot chocolate with peppermint, and yeah, all goodies there. A book with holly and a bow, another lovely envelope, a frame, another very welcoming looking scene, and some more books with bows, a typewriter, a snowy window scene, books with a gift on top, a lovely bookcase, a few more books, and then a peppermint looking cupcake. So that's everything from your A4. Let me just sort of slide these back under here somewhat. And then we have our embellishment bag. Now in here we have got lots of goodies. We have ribbons. There are 4 this month. And we have a really pretty green organza that has this iridescence that runs through, and we have the same in red. And these are lovely for tying bows because they're really big and bloomy. And then we also have these felt die-cut snowflakes in both red and green as well. I'll pop those there. We have 4 separate little bags here this month. So this one is, these are mini pearls. I'll pull you in on the close-up. So these are in gold, green and red, and they're flat backed, so you can stick them down with glue, or you can use them as a shaker window. But you get a little sample bag of those. We have a packet of bows and tassels, so you get 3 green, 3 ivory and 3 white of these mini bows. And then you get these 2 super tiny weeny tassels, as you can see, about the same size as my fingernail. But they are really cute with a lovely little gold jump ring at the top. And then we have a bag of bling, we'll call it. I'm going to tip these ones out for you so you can see them more clearly. So you have 3 green bells, beads. Gosh, say that quickly. There's 3 of those, and then we have 3 of the clear beads that are these, and they have like gold detailing to them. Really very pretty. And then we have some green sparkly flowers, and there are 5 of those. And then we have 3 red and 3 green of the crackle gems. So lots of lovely shiny bits to pull a bit of extra into your vintage card making. Let me just pop these back so that I don't lose any. Just to make sure you know, we are live tomorrow and I will be making with this kit, so I'm very much looking forward to it. Pop those back. And then our final bag is our metal charms. So here we have got, I couldn't decide between silver, rose gold and gold because they all work really well with this collection. So you've got something of everything. So there are 3 rose gold paper clips that, I won't do that on the shiny, that look like books, and they are brilliant because when you put them over a page, you can even give those as sort of like a mini gift that can be removed from the card as a bookmark. They're so adorable, and you get 3 of those. There are 3 little faux book charms which say once upon a time, and then you get 8 corners. Now these corners are really good because they're narrow, so you could actually put them on your card. Most book corners are quite chunky, so that they can take in a chipboard cover, but these will work really well if you want to just pop them over the edge of your card, and then you just crimp them down using some pliers or brute force, whichever works. But there are 8, so that you can do all 4 corners on 2 cards, or you could just do the 2 outer on 4 cards. So lots of bits and pieces there. So my lovelies, that is our November card kit. I'm very excited to make with it. We have got some adorable add-ons to put into the mix as well. So please check in on our release video where we may be sharing yet another card as a sneak from our virtual retreat class coming up in November. For those of you that haven't done a class with me before, I do all of the homework. So, for example, on this particular card, your black piece is already die cut for you, your card base is prepped, this is die cut, so you will be stamping and learning the technique of assembling the card rather than repeatedly doing things that you usually do. So you will be receiving in your kit 20 fully prepped cards, 12 of which are mine, 2 of which are the best things in life are pink, which is Christy Marcotte, and we still have 3 mystery guests to go. And if you've got any guesses, I'll be really grateful to see them in the comments. We will be shipping those kits out along with your subscription kits, or from the 1st of November if you are a non-subscriber. It's 20 cards. You will have lots and lots of items to keep at the end. This is a much fuller kit. Our first one, we took feedback and people said that they would enjoy having more products to play with after they'd completed the class cards. So we've listened, and you've got a really lovely big bundle to play with. And I might sneak peek some of the items that you'll be getting as keepy items in the coming days. But until next time, please enjoy the still shots.